Hey, Gospel Guitarist here, and I thought I would just do a quick rundown on how I have the signal flow on my pedal board, which I just rebuilt. So real quickly, guitar comes in into a jack I have mounted on the side. I have inputs and output jacks that I custom designed on the board that are built in. So I come in to the board and I go straight into my wah-wah pedal. Wah-wah pedal then feeds to the tuner. Tuner comes out, feeds over here to my MXR compressor, and then it goes to the phaser, goes to the univibe, goes to the flanger, goes to the chorus, loops down and hits the input on the noise suppressor. The noise suppressor comes out the send into my noisy pattern of overdrives and distortions, which go from one pedal to the next and then into the EQ. Comes out the EQ and hits my volume pedal. My volume pedal then goes back into the return on the noise suppressor, which then feeds going through the output to the delay and the soon to have JHS reverb on the tail, which will then feed into my looper down here, and the looper goes out to the amplifier. And that's the signal flow of my pedal board. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and like the video. And if you have questions, please leave them below. Thanks.